Eco 3 is a small but very convenient gadget for the kitchen. It turns all food waste into useful fertilizer for plants. You just throw peels, seeds or leftover food in there and it grinds everything itself. It works quietly, odorlessly, and thanks to its compact size, it easily fits even on a small table. You no longer have to take out the garbage so often, and you also get ready-made fertilizer for flowers or the garden. This Sicily Sink Organizer is a real lifesaver from the mess at the sink. It has a convenient swivel spout, so the water from the sponge immediately flows back into the sink, not onto the countertop. The compact size allows you to store your sponge, brushes and even detergent without unnecessary chaos. It is made of stainless steel, does not rust and is easy to clean. 3 separate compartments help keep everything in its place. Clean, convenient and hassle-free. This trend-plain glass oil sprayer is a super handy kitchen accessory. It's 2-in-1, you can spray or pour oil. It's perfect for salads, BBQs, or air fryers. The nozzle creates a uniform mist or stream. You control exactly how much oil you use. Every drop means minimal calories and no waste. The glass is safe, BPA-free, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Less fat, more benefits and flavor. Step-right mats are a real comfort for those who spend a lot of time on their feet. Thanks to the soft, thick base, they relieve fatigue from the feet and joints, so cooking or working while standing is much easier. The surface is not afraid of stains, just wipe it with a cloth. And thanks to the anti-slip backing, the mat holds securely even on tiles or wooden floors. The set of 2 different sizes is suitable for both the kitchen and the office. Convenient, practical, and durable. Swissclip Halo UV is a smart device for disinfecting your home without chemicals and unnecessary effort. It uses UV light, which destroys up to 99.9% of bacteria, dust mites, and allergens, and also removes unpleasant odors from mattresses, sofas, or carpets. The device works on different timers and is suitable for rooms up to 20 square meters. After treatment, the room needs to be ventilated, and you have fresh, clean, and safe air. The perfect solution for a healthy atmosphere at home. These under-cabinet lights with motion sensors are perfect for your kitchen, closet, or even your stairs. They automatically turn on when you approach and turn off after a few seconds. No more fumbling around in the dark. There are 5 brightness levels. You can make the light bright for cooking or dim as a nightlight. They run on a built-in battery that is conveniently charged via USB-C. They attach with magnets or adhesive plates, quickly, without drilling. This AUON silicone clip-on colander is a real find in the kitchen. Just clip it to a pot or pan, and you can quickly drain water from pasta, vegetables, or meat without unnecessary movements. Thanks to its compact size, it takes up minimal space in the cupboard, unlike bulky colanders. Made of safe food-grade silicone, it withstands high temperatures and is easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. The P-Bean Sheller Electric Pea Sheller is a quick and convenient solution for your kitchen. It shells up to 1 pound of peas per minute, which is 10 times faster than manual shelling. The aluminum shaft gently works with the beans, reducing damage and protecting your hands from fatigue. The brush and removable parts make the device easy to clean. Suction cups provide stability on the surface, and the compact design makes it convenient to store. Simple 1-button operation and quiet operation. The Bella 2 Slice Slim Toaster is a compact and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its slim design takes up minimal space, while the long 10-inch slot is perfect for 2 slices of bread or a large baguette or toast. There are 6 toasting settings and a cancel button for perfect results. The pull-out tray makes cleaning easy, and the cord wrap keeps your countertop tidy. The lift-up lever makes it easy to reach even small pieces without the risk of burning yourself. Foldable dish dryer over the sink roll-up rack is a universal kitchen accessory. The size is 44.5 by 30 centimeters, suitable for most sinks at home, camping, or in the car. Made of stainless steel and silicone, can withstand up to 15 kilograms, does not slip and does not rust. Used as a dish dryer, vegetables and fruits, a stand for hot dishes or a work surface. Heat resisted up to 204 degrees Celsius, easy to clean and folds into a roll, saving space in the kitchen. JoyJolt 24-piece borosilicate glass container set is a practical solution for storing and preparing food. The set includes 12 containers of various shapes and sizes with airtight lids that protect against leaks and odors. The glass is freezer, oven, microwave and dishwasher safe, and the lids are hand washable. Thanks to reliable locks and a silicone seal, the products stay fresher longer. Everything is packed in a gift box. There is a 1-year warranty. Drio Electric Milk Frother, updated version, professional quality at home. It creates latte art level microfoam for over 30 types of drinks, thin, medium or thick foam, hot or cold frothing, different types of milk. It has a volume of 450 milliliters, 2 speeds, and 6 heating modes up to 65 degrees Celsius. Multi-stage frothing technology provides a delicate, silky texture without burning. The device operates quietly, is made of stainless steel and is dishwasher safe. The Elite Gourmet EGC 115M electric egg cooker cooks up to 7 eggs at a time, soft, medium or hard-boiled, saving time and water. Simply pour the desired amount into the measuring cup. Turn on the device and in a few minutes the eggs are ready. The auto-off ensures safety and perfect results. The device is also suitable for steaming vegetables. The compact design and lightweight make it convenient for home, dorms, or travel. The set includes a tray, lid, measuring cup, and recipe book. The updated G-Del rotary cheese grater is a fast and safe kitchen tool. With its enlarged holes and sharp stainless steel blades, it works 18 times faster than conventional graters and shreds 50% more food per revolution. The set includes 4 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, fine shavings and wavy cutting. The silicone suction cup securely fixes the grater to the table, and the pusher protects your hands. All parts are removable and easy to clean, including dishwasher safe. The 4-in-1 Learning Tower Children's Kitchen Stool is a safe and multifunctional helper for toddlers aged 1 to 3. The sturdy A-frame construction and removable crossbar provide stability and protection against falls. The built-in drawing board encourages creativity, and thanks to a simple mechanism, the stool easily transforms into a table and chair. Made of wood and MDF, it can withstand up to 68 kilograms, the ideal gift for developing independence, imagination and participation of a child in kitchen chores. 16-in-1 kitchen knife set with cutting board, a complete set for everyday cooking. The set includes chef's knife, bread knife, santoku, utility knife, boning knife, vegetable knife, 6 steak knives, kitchen scissors, sharpener, cutting board, and storage block. Made of German stainless steel, the knives are characterized by high strength, sharpness, and durability. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and control. A stylish wooden block keeps the blades organized and protects them. The Space8 Rapni 3-in-1 organizer will help you keep your kitchen organized. It is suitable for storing cling film, foil and wax paper up to 30 centimeters wide. The bamboo case has 3 compartments with built-in cutters for neat cutting without creasing. The set includes 21 stickers for convenient labeling. The organizer can be placed in a drawer or hung on the wall. Size, 35 by 21.5 by 7.6 centimeters. A stylish and practical accessory for kitchen organization. The kitchen sink splash guard made of diatomite is a stylish splash guard near the faucet. Thanks to its porous structure, the material instantly absorbs water and dries in a few minutes, leaving the countertop dry and clean. The size of 60 by 10 by 1 centimeter with a central hole of 6.3 centimeters is suitable for most faucets. Base diameter up to 6.3 centimeters. It is used not only in the kitchen, but also in the bathroom or bar. A strong, environmentally friendly and durable accessory that combines practicality and modern design. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact, versatile 11-piece set for everyday use. The 250W power allows you to quickly chop, mix, whip and grind ingredients. The set includes tall and low glasses, a party mug, spouted and airtight lids, as well as a recipe book. The bowls are made of impact-resistant plastic, perfect for smoothies, sauces, omelets, dips and desserts all in seconds. The OXO Good Grip Salad Dryer is a convenient tool for washing and drying vegetables and fruits. With a single pump button, you can easily dry greens or berries with one hand. The patented brake instantly stops the basket, and the non-slip base keeps the device in place. The volume is 5.9 liters, which is enough for a large portion of salad. The lid locks in a flat position for compact storage, and all parts are easy to clean, including in the dishwasher. It can serve as a colander or a stylish serving bowl.